New details on a breakthrough in the fight against obesity. We're getting a local doctor's reaction about today's announcement that a gene can make people fat. CBS 4's Lauren Pastrana joins us in the studio. Lauren.
Erica, more than 1/3 of U.S. adults are obese. That's nearly 79 million people. Many turn to diet and exercise to shed pounds. Some even take more drastic surgical measures. But this study shows that tinkering with a certain gene could help people burn calories rather than store food as fat.
These genes could be directly correlated to these genes. That is, the size you wear may be determined by your DNA. A new study published Wednesday in the New England Journal of Medicine reveals scientists have figured out how the gene tied to obesity, known as FTO, actually affects how food is stored as fat rather than burned.
Being obese, overweight is not always because you are lazy or you are not eating properly or being physical active. Can be because you are genetically predisposed.
Dr. Gianluca Iacobellis is an endocrinologist at UHealth University of Miami Health System.
You may be predisposed to become more obese because some mild defect in the activity of these genes, which are no longer able to switch from the white fat to the brown fat.
Dr. Iacobellis explains brown or beige fat burns calories while the more common white fat stores them. Scientists in the study manipulated the genes of mice and human cells in the lab in order to reverse obesity. Basically, they were able to block the faulty gene's effect, which in turn increased energy burning in fat cells. Dr. Iacobellis says this doesn't mean they found the cure to obesity, but it's certainly a step in the right direction.
If we are able to manipulate, to change the fat cells, we can open new avenues in the treatment of obesity and obesity-related disease.
The researchers don't know how long it might be before a drug based on the findings becomes available, but it's unlikely to be a magic pill. So proper diet and exercise are still critical for your overall health. Live in the studio, Lauren Pastrana, CBS 4 News Tonight.
Thank you, Lauren.